De Haar Castle, located in the Netherlands near the city of Utrecht, is a magnificent architectural marvel that attracts tourists from around the world. One of the best ways to capture the beauty of Castle De Haar is through drone photography. Drones provide a bird's eye view of this magnificent castle and its surroundings, allowing visitors to appreciate its majesty from a whole new perspective. The castle's origins date back to the 14th century, although it underwent significant renovations in the late 19th century to transform it into the grand structure we see today. With its fairy tale-like appearance and picturesque surroundings, De Haar Castle has become a popular destination for travelers seeking a glimpse into Dutch history and culture. Whether you are a history enthusiast or simply seeking an unforgettable travel experience, a visit to De Haar Castle is highly recommended. Immerse yourself in its captivating beauty and step back in time to an era of elegance and grandeur.